Yes.
Which one's better? The one that we use with the staff or this one?
The yellow one might be better for you. Probably a little bit easier to move it around. Yes.
I think I have a sword so I won't hurt any.
That works. We definitely don't want to hurt anybody.
Master Brown, is this good?
Yeah, that'll work for you, Indy. All right. All right, so I'm going to mute you guys real quick, and then we will get started with our class. All right, so for right now, again, today we're going to work some sword skills. Anything that you have in the home that can be used as a sword, like a stick or anything like that. So this is just a stick. All right, that could work. Some of you guys might have the pool noodle lightsabers when we did the Star Wars days and things. This is just a wooden sword. Some of you guys came to the Jedi Training Academies where we had the light up ones. Any of that type of stuff will work. Anything that's kind of straight like that you can swing around like a sword will work. Just make sure that you have enough space. We don't want to hit anyone or anything when we're swinging these stuff around. Okay? Now, first things first, though, we are going to start. So I'm going to put your feet together, hands down by your side. Can you bow? All right, we're going to do a couple warm-up exercises, get our muscles ready to do work, particularly our arms, since we're going to focus on the sword today. So let's start out 10 jumping jacks. Ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, push-up position. Let's do 10. 10 of your best push-ups. Ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. When you're done, over on your backs, 10 toe touches. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome. All right, guys, go ahead and grab your swords. Now, before we get into start swinging stuff around, we're just going to go over the parts real quick of the sword. So on this particular one, it has a red handle. That's where your hands would go. It has a black sheath or scabbard. That's the protective case that would cover over the blade. Now, first off, at our school, we don't use sharp swords, so even this one is not sharp. On the side that would be sharp, we call that the blade. The very end of it, we have a point or tip. The back of the sword, which is much thicker, it's not sharp, it's called the spine. You have one in your back. So again, we have a handle, we have the spine on the back side, we have the blade, the point or the tip, and then some of them have this guard right here. This protects your hand from accidentally sliding up and touching the blade. So, let's start out. When we grip the sword, your right hand is going to be on the top of the handle. Your left hand is going to be on the bottom. Hopefully you have a little bit of space in between your hands. Our two hands have different jobs. The top hand does a pushing motion. We're pushing. The bottom hand is pulling. Push-pull is big in martial arts. You see it a lot of times. So when I do my cut, the top hand is pushing out. The bottom hand is pulling when we do our cuts with the sword. Now again, please be careful of your spacing. We don't want to knock lights, windows, walls, that type of stuff. We also certainly don't want to hit anyone that may be walking through the room in your home. All right, guys, we're going to start first with just a straight down cut. Now, big thing with the sword, you need to control the sword. The sword should not control you. Hopefully all of you guys are using stuff that's pretty light, not too heavy. So what we're going to do, we're going to bring it up. When I cut, I want to stop the sword right around my belt level. If I cut and it goes all the way down, that means the sword is controlling me. I need to control the sword. So try to cut and make it stop. Cut and stop it right at your belt. Let's do it together, guys. So bring it up, Ready? Tia. Good. Bring it up. Tua. Up. Tia. Up. Tua. One more time. Asa. Very good. Very good. So being able to control it and stop it exactly when you want it to stop is actually a pretty hard skill. So if you guys are able to do that, nice job. Up next, we're going to work on what's called a diagonal cut. So diagonal means it's going to come from high to one side, low to the other side, high to low. So it's going to start here. We're going to bring it up over our head. It's going to go high to low. It's going to come this way. All right, again, high to low. See, that's kind of hard to see. At least what I can see for myself. All right, hopefully now you can at least see the red blade. All right, it's going to go high from one side, low to the other side. High to low. So let's do it together. Ready? Tia. Again. Tua. Tia. Tua. And asa. All right, good. Now let's try the other way. Uh-oh, it's breaking. All right, we'll go back to the wooden one. So high to low, going this way. Ready? Tia. Tua. Tia. Tua. And asa. Excellent job. Now, what's going to happen? I'm going to key up. We're going to put those two things together. So you're going to cut one, cut two, like you're making a giant X. All right? So when I key up, you guys are going to go 1 and 2, both sides. All right? Now, as you're doing that, still focus. Top hand is pushing, bottom hand is pulling. We have that push-pull motion. All right, ready? Tia! So 1 and 2. Tua! 1, 2. Tia! 1, 2. Tua! One more time. Asa! Nicely done, guys. Very good. All right. Now, we're going to do upward diagonal. So we went high to low. Now we're going to go low to high. So I start low, I bring it up. All right. Now, again, we want to control the sword. If I go too far and it keeps going up, bad things can happen. So make sure that we stop it before it gets to us. So we're going to take your sword, bring it low. We're going to cut up this way. Ready? Tia! Good. Bring it back down. Tua! Tia! Tua! And last one, asa. Okay, now, low this side, high over to here. Ready? Tia! Tua! Tia! Tua! And asa. Awesome. Okay, now this time, make it a little bit more challenging for you guys. We're going to put 4 of them together. So we're going to go low, or go down, down, up, up. So do it with me first. Bring your sword up, cut down. 1, cut down the other way. 2, right from there, go up. 3, and then up. 4. All right, let's do it again together. Slow, take your time. 1 is down. Then we're going to go the other way. 2 is down. 3 is up. And 4 is up. So there's 4 cuts in there. 4 cuts. So when I say Tia, you guys are going to do all 4. Let's give it a try. Tia. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, let's go again. Tia. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Awesome. One more time. Tia. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice work, guys. Nice work. Okay, our next cut is going to be our side-to-side cut. What I want you guys to imagine a table. On the table is an evil watermelon. We must cut the watermelon in half without cutting the table. So, when I key up, it's just going to be 1 cut straight across. Make sure your sword stays flat. I want it to stay flat the whole way. Like it shouldn't wobble or anything when we're going across. Try to keep it nice and flat. All right, here we go. Ready? Tia! Good. Now from here, when I do this next part, make sure I turn my hands. I do not want to turn the sword in my hands. That's no good. Instead, turn your hands. So, from here, we're going to turn our hands, cut the other way. Tua! Then go back to the first side. Tia! Tua! One more. Asa! All right. So now this time, when I key up, you guys are going to do 2. So 1, 2. One side and the other side. Double cut. Double slice that watermelon. Here we go. Tia! 1, 2. Tua! 1, 2. Tia! Tua! And asa! All right, here we go, guys. Now, 6 cuts. We're going to put 6 cuts together. So it's the 4 that we did earlier. Down, down, up, up. Then side, side. That's 5 and 6. All right, let's do it slow together. We're going to go slow together first. So, cutting downward on diagonal. 1. Other side. 2. Then upward. 3. 4. Cut to the side. 5. Other side is 6. Whew. That's a lot. Let's see if you guys can do it. All right. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Let's do one more time. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Nice job, guys. All right, up next, we're going to work on a spear technique. So I'm going to use the tip of the sword this time. All right, so from here, I'm going to take the sword, I'm just going to pull it to one side, and then I push it forward. Pull it to the other side, and then push forward. So I go one side, and then the other side. Okay? So, hold the sword out in front of you, pull back, and then push forward. Pull back, push forward. Pull, push. Pull, and push. All right, guys. Let's give this a try now. We're going to add 2 more things. We're going to add the downward cut, the very first one we did. In fact, that's going to go to the very beginning of that sequence. And then the spear is going to be the last thing. That's going to be number 8. So now we have a total of 8 different sword skills or strikes that we're going to use. So let's give it a try. So let's go slow. We're going to do it together. Bring your sword up, cut straight down. That'll be 1 now. Now we're going to do our diagonal ones going down. So then we're going to have 2, 3, upward, 4, 5, side, 6, 7, and then spear will be 8. Nice. All right, let's put it all together again. So we have straight down, that's 1. Then we have our diagonal cuts. 2, 3, upward, 4, 5, side, 6, 7, and spear would be 8. All right, one more time. I'm going to try to go a little bit faster this time. Hopefully you guys are able to keep up. We'll give it a try. All right, get ready. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, nice work, guys. Very good. Very good, very good. Up next, we're going to work on blocking with the sword. Now, typically when we block with the sword, we use the back of the blade because we don't want to damage the sharp part. However, with this one, it's a high block. It's protecting our head, so we are actually going to block with the blade side. Now, when I grip, again, keeping both hands on the sword, we have either a X block or an 11 block. It's called that way because of the shape that our forearms are going to make. All right? So I have the sword out in front of me. If I push the handle this way, both of my arms, they kind of look like the number 11. If I were to go the other way, now my arms are crisscrossed, they kind of look like the letter X. Okay? So one side should be looking like an 11, the other side should be looking like an X. So when you guys are doing it, make sure you're looking at your arms, just double checking. Again, one side should look like an 11, the other side should look like an X. Now, one of the big things is the sword needs to be above your head. If my high block is here, that's not going to do me so good, right? No good. So make sure it's up above your head. Also, we want the blade part to be above our head, not our hands. Because if my hands are right here and I get hit in the hands, that's no good. So, hold the sword out in front of you. You're going to push the handle over to the one side. Good. Then I push the handle to the other side. So I go one side and the other side. One side and the other side. Good, good, good. All right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to put the blocks in together with some of our downward cuts and make a small form. It's only 5 moves. Not too challenging, but it's fun because we got a sword. So, again, grip it with both hands. Bring the sword straight back. Cut straight down. That's Tiya. Now I'm going to block. Tua. Cut. Tiya. Block. Tua. Then we cut again. Asa. So there's 3 cuts. There's 2 blocks. The blocks are mixed in between. So let's go again. Tiya. Tua. Tiya. Tua. And Asa. All right, one more time with my help. Then it's going to be your guys' turn. Let's give it a try. Ready? Tiya. Tua. Tiya. Tua. And Asa. Okay, this time I'm going to just say go. When I say go, I want to see you guys do all 5 moves. Let's give it a try. Ready? Go. Tiya. Tua. Tiya. Tua. And Asa. Awesome job. All right, guys, that's all the stuff that we're going to do today with the sword. So go ahead and carefully put it off to the side. We're not going to step on it. The next drill or game, whatever you want to call it, is a listening one. If you guys were here on Tuesday, it's the same one we did. We're going to do it again. At least I'm going to try to trick you guys. We'll see if I can get you. All right. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to be in our stance, our ready stance. Our hands are up. We always want to keep our hands up for protection and balance. So make sure whenever we're not using one of the hands, that they're up. Now, this side, the one over here, is going to be 1. So anytime I say 1, you're just going to punch out and back as quickly as you can. Other side is 2. So when I say 2, again, out and back as quickly as you can. Now, when you're punching, focus on those first 2 knuckles. So we have the thumb, the first 2 knuckles closest to your thumb, or the knuckles we focus on for the punch. Okay? So again, this side first. Ready? 1. 1. 2. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2, 1. 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, good, good. Now let's add in a kick this time. We're going to add a front kick. So from here, our front kick is going to be 3. So anytime I say 3, we're going to add the front kick. So again, let's double check, make sure we're all on the same page. So this side, 1. This side is 2. And then the front kick is 3. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1, 1, 2, 3. 3, 3, 2, 1, 2. are doing good. I'm not sure I've tricked anybody yet. All right, let's try this one. Let's see if I can get you. All right. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3. Did I get anybody? No? Man, you guys are good. All right, maybe next time I can trick you guys. All right. We're gonna stop the recording there.